that cannot control hazards risks itself to loss of lives and property, and investors will definitely not come to such a country. Environmental impact. Air contamination from fire plumes, contamination from water runoff containing toxic products and other discharge, mental particulates, polycycline aromatic hydrocarbon, chlorinate, dioxin, and furans. In fact, all these are the chemicals, when you have fire outbreak, these are the chemicals that goes into the environment, go through your drains, and add to other pollution outside the area of the fire. Vanguard newspaper of July 10, 2017 reported that 13 insurance companies settled 35.7 billion naira claims to various clients in 2016. The beneficiaries include clients whose houses or companies were gutted by fire or particularly damaged, vehicle owners who lost their cars to road accident, families of deceased insured who lost their loved ones to fire. Other fire protection costs, cost of meeting standard in the manufacturing of equipment, cost of fire maintenance, cost of fire retardant and design product testing, cost of disaster recovery plans and backups, and cost of preparing and maintaining standards. One of the presenters said yesterday, and after the fire outbreak, the money that should have been used for development is now plugged back into rebuilding. Remedies. The Nigeria industrial and business enterprise environment have been prone to the fire hazards due to negligence, carelessness, and recklessness before, during, and after the establishment of these organizations. All fire causes, be it children play with matches, are all covered by behavioral attitude like negligence, carelessness, and recklessness. It's either the person is ignorant that petrol gives her vapor at room temperature, store it in the house due to fuel shortage in the town. Eventually, when the public power is off, the petrol begins to give her vapor at room temperature. With the presence of any nickel source, the fire is out. This is carelessness, ignorance. This is particularly ignorance. Insurance policy, according to National Insurance Commission, the NICOM, the number of public buildings in Nigeria are estimated to be at about 10 million. But it is sad that most of these buildings are uninsured. Many industry and business enterprises are also guilty of such negligence. Nigerians must embrace the culture of subscribing to insurance, indemnity that covers their homes, properties, personal effort, businesses, and general activities. All industrial and business premises must be insured. NICOM and the federal and state fire services should enforce compliance in accordance with Section 65 of the Insurance Act of 2003. All building structures should comply with the Fire Service National Fire Code. The provision of the code should be fully complied with, and all the enforcement authorities should religiously enforce the content of the code. Information book. It has been observed that when there is a disaster, communication gaps are often glaring as to who to contact and the various responsibility of the responders. Therefore, every industrial and business organization should have information book secured at the entrance or at the security gate. The content are hereunder stated. The procedure to be adopted in case of a fire. The procedure should be adopted in case of fire, and there should be regular drills. Because if you know something in the event of a disaster, you'll be surprised that you will forget what to do. I've even made such a mistake myself. I have fire extinguishers in the house. About 2 streets away, we learned that there is fire outbreak there. I carried my dry powder fire extinguisher. I'm getting there. I forgot to even remove the safety pins. I started hitting at the lever. Hitting at the lever, eventually it came to a court with me that I have not removed the safety pin. So you can forget. So there should be regular drill. List of emergency telephone numbers, list of company offices and area of responsibilities, list of fire door, smoke stop door, fire and emergency exit, list of fire extinguishers, their types and location. I'm yet to see companies where they have fire stop doors. In normal, the doors are often fancy doors, very beautiful, well-polished doors that are even combustible materials. Information about the following installations: sprinklers and other automated protection systems, fire alarm installations, evacuation and alarm signal, and other useful information that might be wanted for quick response. Now, we've just perused over some of the common causes of fire. And in the course of the fire service is expected to do their work by being effective and efficient. But the fire service, like the statistic we saw in Austria, the number of fire stations about 4,800. But in Nigeria here, we were told yesterday that both the federal and the state fire service, we have a Nigerian population of about 160 or 170 million. But the number of firemen and the fire stations cannot even contain 3 states. Therefore, and no matter how you equip, we were told that the fire service were given 40 fire trucks, and there was a round of applause. What of the maintenance? What of the running cost? Can the fire service maintain them? What of the recruitment to cover all other states? What of fire in the local governments, in the local government area? Can the fire service cover it? So therefore, there is what the police is now doing. There have been police public relations committee ever since, but now it is getting a federal touch. They call it Police Public Relations Committee Policy, and I'm one of them from my state. And there are so many things they put in place so that there must be somebody around to give information to the police. If there is recruitment and everybody jogging down to take for recruitment to the police or any of the armed forces, somebody will just come. I know this man. He is a this, he is a that. He is not fit to be in the police. But when there's everything is centrally approached, there's nobody, you cannot know somebody from my village in Abuja, somebody in Abuja cannot know somebody in my village. As a result, I hereby recommend community fire safety team for the fire service. This community fire safety team should be in every village. They should form a team having their own structure, recognized by the fire service. In fact, the fire service should encourage it. And it should be a policy affair, whereby little stipend will be given to them. And these people should be able to know, be trained basically on how to identify fire hazard. What is fire? How do you fight fire? So that in the event of any fire outbreak, they will be the first source of people to know what to do. But in many cases where there is fire outbreak, people don't even know what to do. People don't even have the fire service number. And a wise man, as a wise man or woman, you must be able to have the fire service number, the nearest fire station number, the nearest police station station number, the nearest hospital, clinic to you. Involving the communities at the grassroots on safety matter, we assist in sensitization and mobilization of the citizens.